Hello, I just thought I'd show you what my 28-day program comes like. So each Monday you'll get a module sent to you with a little bit of a lesson sometimes at the top, and then underneath it will have what actions you need to do. And then it will have a link as well to the YouTube exercises. So you can do those every single day. You know exactly what to do. So that is the format that they come in. You sign up whenever you sign up the next Monday, you'll get your first module, and then you just need to follow the instructions that I give you, practice them every single day until you get to the end. So I hope that's been useful. If you want to get some tools and tips and exercises that work for you and your back, if you've had back issues for a while now and they keep flaring up and you want to have some exercises that are suitable for you and your back, this is the program to do. Any questions, please do ask. Take care. Bye-bye.